A brand new digital coin launched yesterday, and within 24 hours, its price swung by a massive 20%. It is called Nesa. Nesa sits right at the intersection of two huge trends happening right now: the explosion of artificial intelligence and the world of cryptocurrency. Whenever you type a question into a popular AI chatbot, you are handing over a tiny piece of your personal information. Large tech companies harvest those prompts and store that data on their servers. Nesa is designed to solve that problem. It lets companies run powerful artificial intelligence, but keeps the actual user prompts hidden and secure. This is happening right now. Nesa has already launched its mainnet, the live, functioning version of its network, and people are actively using it today. Nesa's value lies in creating a space where user prompts remain private, addressing the data harvesting problem we see in most modern AI models. To understand how this works, we first need to look at how Nesa is built. Nesa is a coin, meaning it has its own independent foundation, what developers call a Layer 1 blockchain. It is entirely separate from other networks. Using this independent foundation, Nesa is designed to act like a blindfolded brain. It can process your information and give you answers without ever actually seeing who you are. This animation illustrates the official technical term for this blindfold: zero-knowledge machine learning. You send your prompt into the AI processing unit, and it generates the output, but your starting point stays entirely hidden. Every single time you ask a question, the network mathematically locks it directly on the blockchain. The AI calculates the answer using that scrambled data and sends the result back out, all without ever unlocking your identity. Compare that to standard AI models. Those traditional systems require full, clear visibility of your prompts to function, sucking your data up into a central, visible database. By running this zero-knowledge process on its own network, Nesa allows individuals to maintain ownership of their information, rather than handing it over to a central tech hub. Looking at the financial side, Nesa's current total value, its market capitalization, sits right around $36 million. Right now, there are roughly 140 million Nesa coins circulating in the open market, available to buy and sell. This gauge shows how that circulating supply measures up against the hard ceiling. Out of a maximum capacity of exactly 1 billion coins, only that small fraction is currently out there. The project does not use a burn mechanism. That means it does not destroy existing coins to try and force the price up. Instead, new coins are continually added to the supply. Nesa controls this new supply through tapering inflation. The rate at which new coins enter the market gradually shrinks as time goes on. This creates an economic system built on slow, predictable scarcity, aiming to sustain the network over the long haul, instead of relying on artificial deflation. Right now, Nesa trades at approximately 26 cents per coin. Its highest price on record was just over 33 cents, a peak it hit right on launch day. The mood in the market right now is highly volatile. The massive initial momentum from the launch has brought intense, unpredictable energy to the price. Looking at this price chart, traders are watching two immediate markers: a resistance ceiling near that 33-cent high and a support floor holding around 25 cents. Because the coin is entirely brand new, there just isn't enough trading history yet. That makes it difficult to judge how strong the long-term demand will be, which leads directly to this severe price turbulence. On the optimistic side, Nesa is successfully tapping into the massive trends of AI and digital privacy simultaneously, and it is doing it with a real, functioning product. On the cautious side, that extreme newness guarantees wild price swings and very high risk for anyone holding it. The bottom line is that this is a high-risk, high-curiosity asset that simply needs time to prove itself. If you want to trade Nesa, you can find it on Binance, OKX, and PancakeSwap. Please remember, this video is strictly for educational purposes. Cryptocurrency is highly volatile, and you must always do your own research before making any financial decisions.